All right, back on the road. This time we got the baby boy with us. Got the trailer hooked up. We are going to pick up something for the truck, if you can imagine that. So he wants to be in the video. Cole, say hi, buddy. There you go. 3 months old, already out doing truck stuff with Dad. So, like I said, we got the trailer hooked up. Going to pick up a big piece of freight from the FedEx place here local to me. It's about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes away. It's not too far. So I will kind of film along the way, and when we get there, we'll show you what we got. Sit tight. Rail yard here, can't talk. There's downtown Kansas City. Not the coolest skyline in the world, but it's pretty, especially at night. So we're cruising. We hit some morning traffic there for a few. So, anyways, onward. I don't know why I'm filming these like shots for a 20-minute drive, but it's something for y'all to watch. So, I got the Bang energy drink, got the trailer hooked up like I was saying, and we're getting off the highway now. So we've got little further ways to go, and I'll check back in. All right, so real quick, I forgot to mention this earlier. You can hear the truck's quieter than it was in my last video. So that muffler delete I bought was awesome sounding. But the one I bought, for some reason, when I was talking about those relief cuts, something didn't fit right, and I could not get it to quit leaking. Now, granted, it was like a $150 cheap one off Amazon, which I know for a metal pipe, I mean, that seems ridiculous to say it's a cheap one. But the clamps it came with was jacked up, and it just didn't fit really well. So I'm going to send that one back to Amazon for a refund, and I'm going to get either, there's a B2 fabrication one, Mufflex makes one, Magnaflow makes one, and then like Chaos Motorsports. Sorry, I need one of those camera holders, my arm gets tired. So, I don't know, like I've used Magnaflow stuff, always top notch. B2 Fab, I've had their tips, another good product. Haven't used the Chaos one. Mufflex I used at one point with a bolt-in 24-inch Magnaflow, which was a really nice setup, but it never fit right either. For some reason, they're because it's a 3 in and it's either I think 2 1/4 out or 2 1/2 out, I can't remember. But the 3 in side, for some reason, their pipe was too big for mine, and I had to kind of rig it up to get it to fit. And after that, it didn't have any problems, sounded great, didn't leak, it was a really good product. So anyways, those are kind of our options. I definitely will go back with the muffler delete. Sounded great, did not drone. I don't know how, I don't know why. I've had quieter exhaust setups that have droned. I think it has something to do with the resonance, not the actual like sound level itself. So anyways, just figured I'd throw that out there real quick, and we should be here in about 5 minutes, so I'll check back in. So I'm at FedEx Freight here. This is wild. I've never been here. This place is huge. Hold on, I'll turn it. This place is huge. What do you think about this, buddy? You don't care? So they're gonna bring it down, and we'll see. All right, so that was relatively painless. The guy brought it down with a forklift. We threw it on the trailer. So what is that? It's a big Rough Country box. It's not a lift kit. I don't know what something like that could be. Okay, so here's what it is. It's a Rough Country, which I know people have their opinions about their stuff, but they make some cool bumpers, lights, stuff like that. So this is their, sorry, I just opened this all up out of breath. This is their new LED bumper. Comes with 2 cubes for in here. Tow hooks here. 20-inch light bar here. Another tow hook. Cubes here. And I can use my factory sensors. So, Callie. Oh, there's old Izzy. Who doesn't like dogs? Calvin. Hi. I'll come get you in a minute. So, package great. Bumper's in perfect shape. Clear coat's awesome. Here, we've got all the lights and mounts and all that stuff. So I'm going to finish unpacking this. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to finish unpacking this and install days tomorrow. So I don't think there's a whole lot else to show you on that. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Okay, this will wrap it up for today. Shout out to Rough Country. Comes with shackles. So here's how the bumper mounts. This is going to go where your existing bumper mounted. And then bolts to the frame rails, bumper bolts to that, shackles go on here. I mean, these things are freaking sturdy. So all the light bars, I would assume cubes, 20-inch wiring and stuff for my sensors, splitters for the pods. I mean, this thing's really legit. He did a really good job packaging. Everything feels great quality. So anyways, that wraps up for today. Stay tuned. We'll have a full update after it's installed, and y'all have a good weekend.